Life is unpredictable. One moment everything feels secure, and the next, an unexpected illness or injury can throw everything off track. For most people, losing the ability to work means losing the paycheck that keeps everything running. Bills, groceries, rent, and all the little things that add up in everyday life. That's where income insurance comes in. Today, we're talking about Asteya, a company that wants to make income insurance simple, affordable, and accessible to everyone. But does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's break it all down. What is Asteya? Asteya is a digital insurance company that focuses on protecting your income if you ever find yourself unable to work due to illness or injury. They're taking a modern approach to an old school problem, aiming to make income insurance less intimidating and more available to regular people. So unlike traditional disability insurance, which can involve loads of paperwork, medical exams, and long approval times, Asteya keeps things simple. Everything's done online, and you can get a policy in 30 minutes or less. No phone calls, no in-person interviews, no proof of income. Just a quick, straightforward process that gets you covered fast. The goal? To make sure that if life throws you a curveball, you'll still have a safety net to catch you. Why income insurance matters. Most people don't think about income insurance until it's too late. And let's be real, none of us like to imagine worst case scenarios. But here's the thing. 1 year of disability can wipe out 10 years of savings. That's a shocking statistic, but it makes sense. You suddenly can't work for months or even years. Where does the money come from? For many, the first instinct is to rely on work-sponsored disability insurance. But there's a catch. If you leave your job, you lose that coverage. Not to mention many employer-backed plans don't cover nearly as much as you'd think. That's why having private income insurance, one that you own and control, is really a game changer. Think of it like this. You insure your car, your house, even your cell phone. Why wouldn't you insure your paycheck, which funds all of those things? If you're self-employed or a small business owner, this kind of coverage is even more crucial. When you work for yourself, there's no built-in safety net. If you can't work, the money stops coming in. That's why Asteya is targeting people who don't have a backup plan through an employer. How Asteya works. One of the biggest selling points of Asteya is how easy they make the whole process. So let's break it down. Step 1, the application process. Signing up for income insurance usually feels like a long, drawn-out headache, but Asteya simplifies it. The entire application process is done online and takes just a few minutes. You won't need to provide proof of income, submit medical records, or jump through any hoops like that. Just answer a few questions, pick your plan, and you're done. The whole idea is to remove barriers that make people avoid getting this kind of coverage in the first place. Step 2, instant policy approval. Once you submit your application, you get a decision instantly. If you're approved, your policy lands right in your inbox. No waiting around for weeks wondering if you're covered. This is a huge advantage over traditional income insurance, which can take weeks or even months to process. Step 3, making a claim. If you ever need to use your income insurance, the process is straightforward. You'll need to file a claim, provide a doctor's statement confirming your condition, and complete a short waiting period before payments start. The goal is to make sure you get paid as quickly as possible so you can focus on recovery without stressing over bills. What does Asteya cover? So Asteya offers 2 main types of coverage, depending on what makes the most sense for you. Permanent disability insurance. This is a one-time payout of up to $500,000 if you become permanently and totally disabled. Then there's monthly disability insurance. This provides ongoing payments of up to $20,000 per month until you're able to return to work. What's great about these options is that they're customizable. So you can choose coverage that fits your budget and needs rather than being locked into a one-size-fits-all policy. Asteya's latest offering, sickness and injury individual disability insurance. Asteya recently introduced a new policy that covers sickness and injury-related disabilities, now available in 33 states. This plan provides a monthly benefit for up to 2 or 5 years, depending on the policy you choose. This is big news because most traditional disability insurance policies focus on injuries only. But what if you get cancer, chronic illness, or another long-term medical condition that keeps you from working? That's where this policy comes in. It expands coverage to more real-life scenarios, making it a better safety net. Customer reviews. What are people saying about Asteya? So how does Asteya hold up when it comes to real customer experiences? So far, it has a 4.2 star rating on Trustpilot, with most reviewers praising its fast application process, affordable pricing, and clear policy details. One customer said they were able to apply and get approved in under 10 minutes, which is a huge plus compared to traditional insurance providers. Others mentioned how transparent the pricing and coverage options were, making it easier to understand exactly what they were signing up for. Now, on the flip side, a few users reported minor delays in getting their payouts, though the majority of reviews still highlight the smooth process. So who is Asteya best for? Asteya is a great choice for freelancers and self-employed people who don't have employer-backed disability insurance. Anyone with financial dependents who rely on their paycheck. People who want affordable coverage without the hassle of medical exams or long waiting periods. Small business owners who need protection but don't have the time for complicated applications. So basically, if your income is your lifeline, having a backup plan like this just makes sense. Final thoughts. Is Asteya worth it? Income insurance isn't something people talk about often, but it's one of the smartest financial moves you can make. No one expects to get sick or injured, but if it happens, having a safety net in place could be the difference between staying financially stable or struggling to make ends meet. Asteya makes the process easy, fast, and affordable, which removes a lot of the usual excuses for not getting covered. So if you're looking for an income protection plan that won't break the bank, Asteya is definitely worth considering. But what do you think? Have you looked into income insurance before? Do you think think Asteya is the right fit for you, drop a comment below and let us know. Now, if you want to get started with Asteya or any other insurance options that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using any of those links, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on InsuranceWise, we break down everything you need to know about business, home, auto, life, income, and specialty insurance, helping you make informed decisions so you can find the best coverage for your needs. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.